You've probably seen people turning their photos into Studio Ghibli art with ChatGPT's new AI image generator. But today, I'll show you how to go way beyond that, transforming portraits into Pixar characters, merging images into fantasy scenes, expanding sketches into huge landscapes, and more. Let's dive in. First, let's turn this portrait of a girl in a garden into Studio Ghibli art. Upload your photo to ChatGPT and type, "Recreate this in Studio Ghibli style." Keep the pose, background, and details. While ChatGPT processes this, here's a tip. The more details you include in your prompt, the closer the style will match your vision. Once it generates the image, you can further edit it to your likings. Click the image and, for example, write, "Remove the flower from her ear." This edit usually takes just a few seconds, perfect for quick tweaks. Just like that, you've got Studio Ghibli magic with your adjustments. Next, let's make this boy with a backpack look like a 3D Pixar character. Upload the photo and prompt, "Turn this into a 3D Pixar animation." Match facial features and colors. ChatGPT's working on it. This is where the AI shines, turning real-life textures into smooth, animated surfaces. If the backpack needs tweaking, click the image and add more detail to the backpack straps. Pro tip, you can swap Pixar for comic books, watercolor, or any style you want. Now, let's merge two images. Upload a person and an object, like this previous girl and a vintage camera. Type, "Create a Studio Ghibli scene where she's holding the camera in a sunflower field." While this generates, remember, ChatGPT blends objects based on your wording, so clarity is key. The more specific your prompt, the better the merge. Try, add glowing runes to the camera lens for extra flair. Want to turn a small drawing into a big scene? Upload this lighthouse sketch and prompt, expand this into a wide ocean view, add waves, cliffs, and a sunset. Expanding images takes a bit longer, but it's worth it. Watch how the AI fills in the gaps seamlessly. Finally, let's turn this mountain photo into a movie poster. Upload it and type, "Convert this into a fantasy poster." Add the title "Dragon Peaks" in fiery letters at the bottom. Text integration can be tricky, but ChatGPT handles it surprisingly well. Just keep your font description simple. And there you go. ChatGPT adds the text and amps up the drama, no design skills needed. Try these tricks with your own photos. Experiment with styles, tweak details, and share your favorites below. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching. Go create something amazing.